Hello and welcome back to another video of Java Selenium. Today in this video we will see how can we upload a file on a web page. As you know, we can't do with Selenium. So here I am using AutoIt tool. So first we will see how to download. Then after we will see how can we write script and create exe. That exe we will call in our Java Eclipse, and then we see how can we upload file on a web page. Before go ahead, it is request to you, if you like the content of this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more video. Go ahead and let's start the video. First of all, go to the Chrome and type AutoIt. Okay. First we will download the AutoIt tool. Okay, and you come down and here you can see download AutoIt. Click on this. Now you can see downloaded. Also we have to download editor. Okay, click on this download editor. It will come down. Now you can see suit auto. Click on this. Now both has downloaded. Okay, let's go on download folder or downloads folder. Now you can see. So this is the zip file. So first we will extract this zip file. Extract all. Now extract. Okay. Now again double click on this. Now you can see, do we want to allow this app? Okay, so yes. And now you can see, and next, and yes, I agree. Next, 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 and next. Okay, so you can see installing is starting. It will take little time for downloading. Now click on finish. Our AutoIt tool has installed successfully. Now our next step is write the script. Let's go on Chrome and open the web page. Okay, so this is the our web page. Okay, so first of all we will click here through Selenium. Okay, after that this window we will handle with AutoIt. So for that we have to write a script. Okay, so first of all open the AutoIt window. Okay, and simultaneously we will open uh, script editor also. Suite script editor. Okay, first we will go to the finder tool. Okay, now take this tool and drag and drop here. Okay, now leave it. Now you can see AutoIt window. All the information has captured automatically. So go on our script editor. First we will save this script. Okay, so this script I'm file upload. I'm giving the name as a file upload and save. Okay, now first I'm giving here some time for download the window. Okay, here I'm giving the time as a 3 second. Okay, now enter. Now write focus control focus, and here you can see here we have to write title. Okay, so our title is, you can see first step on the first open. So we will write this open, and after this we want text. So we don't have text, so we have to leave it. And now control ID. So you can see basic control info in the second box. This first we have to give the class name like edit and instance. So this is the ID. Okay. Now bracket is close. Okay. Now done. After that I am giving the time like 2 seconds. Okay. Enter and like write control that text. Okay. Take this, open the bracket. Now you can see title. So first we have to give the title. Title is same, open. Now double quotation, comma, and again we don't have text, comma, and control ID. Control ID is same like edit one. Okay, now comma, and here we have to give the new text. New text, here I'm creating one argument. Argument dollar sign and command cmd line line, and uh, in the square bracket give the one. Okay, and close the parenthesis. Okay, now enter. Again I'm giving the time sleep 2 seconds. Okay, enter. And here first we will click on edit button. Okay, so here we will type the our file name. Okay, so we will type file name through the command line. Command line is a argument. Okay, so then sometime file will change, so don't need to come in the code and change here. Okay, that's why I'm using argument here. Okay, now our second step is also we have to click on this. I'll show you. Also we have to click on this open button also. So again take this tool and leave it. Okay, now you can see all property has captured. Okay, now go on script editor. Now write uh, control click. Okay, control click. Now parenthesis title. So for title is open, same title is here. Now text so empty, comma, and control. Our class name is control ID. Okay, so same you can see basic control info. So this is the our control ID. This is the button, and ID is 1, and run. Okay, now go to the tools and compile this script. Okay, so our exe has, you can see this is your location, exe location. Okay, I will upload this exe we will use in the Java Eclipse. Okay, go to the Java Eclipse. Now here you can see this is our code for open web page. Now first of all we have to click on this choose file. Okay, right click on this and inspect. Now you can see ID. This is the our ID. Okay, so go to the Eclipse and write the code for that. Web element. Here I'm giving the name choose file. here I have created variable for that button. Okay, equal to driver dot find element by dot id. Okay, here double quotation, and here we will give the id name. Go on web page. This is the our id name. File upload. Okay, copy this and paste under this double quotation. Okay, first we have to click on this button. Okay, so same, choose file button, choose file and dot click. In the end, let's see button is clicking or not. Okay, okay, so now you can see page is downloading. Maximize window. Now you can see button has not clicked. So for that we will use another way. Okay, so another way is first remove this. Here we will use actions. Okay, action properties, actions and act equal to new actions. In the parenthesis we will write driver. Okay, in the end statement close with semicolon. Now act dot move to element, and here we have to give the our variable, choose file variable. You can see it's already come. Now in the end dot click here. Okay, now dot perform. Okay, in the end statement close. Okay, now let's see now is it working or not. Downloading. Yeah, now button has clicked. Okay, so go on Eclipse. Now this time we will call AutoIt script here. Okay, so for that, right, first of all I'm creating a variable for exe, like AutoIt exe equal to, here I'm giving the path of our exe. Okay, this is the our exe. Right click and copy as path into the Eclipse and paste here. Okay, remove this extra double quotes and slash. Now in the end I'm another variable creating for file in file path. This is the file that I want to upload on web page. Okay, right click and copy as path. Okay, go on Eclipse, paste the path and semicolon. Okay, now our next step is we will run the script. Okay, so write runtime dot get runtime. Okay, dot exec. Okay, and here we will give the first we will give the our, like, now write the statement like new string and get, and curly braces we will write the our first we will write our exe path. Okay, so our exe path is auto AutoIt exe in comma. Now we will write the file path. Okay. In the end, message in the end statement has closed with semicolon. Okay. Now here you can see this is the our exe path and this is the our file path that we will upload on web page. Okay. Now save and run and see. What means something is done wrong. Program. Okay. Here you can see here we have to give the exe. This is the extension we have to give. Okay. So please remember we have to give the exe. Okay, now again we will run. Our file has uploaded successfully. Hope you like the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video with new topic on Java Selenium. Till then, happy learning.